Hi guys, quick video for you here today. Another suitcase review. So we were in Florida 12, 18 months ago, and she broke a suitcase. It broke, did that one. And so we went to Target and we bought quite an expensive American Tourister pink, she wanted a pink case, and we swapped it over, all the stuff over in the shop, and she used that. Unfortunately, she only used it for about 3 trips, and we're in LA, and she banged it on the bus at the terminal. The wheel just broke straight off, absolute junk. Now, I did want another Samsonite one, and I'll post my link above for the Samsonite review that I got from Costco, but unfortunately at the time I tried to buy this case this week to replace it. Guess we need it, guess we're going on holiday soon. They're not selling the Samsonite one anymore, but do check out that review if you're interested in case they come back in, because they seem like really good cases. So I looked around, and Good Housekeeping had given this case, which is called the Tripp Holiday 8, a really good review, and said it was best value case. I think it cost £69, so it's pretty cheap. Got it in watermelon, not my choice of colour, that's for my daughter, but I thought I'd just quickly show you what it's like, how big it is, what it weighs, etc. So you'll see the box says it's 11 kilograms. That'll include all the box and packaging as well. It's nothing like that. Where it says it's 10.7 kilograms net weight, 11.7 kilograms gross weight. The case itself won't be anything like that, but we'll see what it actually weighs. So it is very bright. I suppose it's easy to spot on the let's get it out. Easy to spot on the carousel. Oh, it's actually quite a nice looking thing. It's got a TSA lock, as you'd expect. Seems to be quite a nice size. It's this is the large version. Let's have a look inside. So you see it's got the Good Housekeeping approved. Quite like the material. It seems to be very robust. The zippers, they're not YKK, but they seem, again, robust. Let's have a look inside. What do we have? So we've got a fairly basic dividing up. There's no separate pockets from what I can see. Lock instructions. It's quite good that they're colour coordinated. This bit here zips off. So it's fairly basic in terms of how it's divided up, but I suppose, you know, for the price, looks pretty good. You can feel the handle inside there. So it is a little bit rudimentary, but I suppose if it does the job and it doesn't break, it's actually really good value. So let's have a look at the handle. Get a bit closer. So there's no soft padding on the handle, it's very sort of hard plastic, aluminium as you'd expect there. There's a soft plastic handle there, again no padding as such, but it is softer plastic. Is there a handle on the side? I expect there is, yeah. And an identical type of handle there as well. It's quite a nice looking case in fairness. Let's take this sticker off. It's been tested supposedly by the Good Housekeeping Institute. So in terms of measurement, in fact I'll take it from the bottom of the wheels to the top. It is about 77 centimetres, just over 30 inches, just over. The width is about 31 centimetres, or roughly 12 inches, 12 and a half inches. And and then it's some 18 inches or 46 centimetres. That's saying 4 kilograms. In terms of guarantee, it says it's got on here 5-year guarantee. Now, what does that cover? It gives lock instructions. A manufacturing defect. Please note that damage caused by airline mishandling is not covered by Tripp. In this instance, we advise you to contact the airliners responsible as soon as possible. So in other words, I think these guarantees are pretty junk, because obviously if a wheel breaks off, they'll say, oh, that's not because the case was weak. That's the airline mishandling it. So I'm not sure whether that's worth the paper it's written on, to be honest. But you know, £69. It looks as though it's really strong. It seems to be built out of good materials. Anti-scratch as well. Nice colour if this is your thing. It isn't mine, but if it is your thing, it's nice colour. So it looks really good. For £69, it looks a bit of a bargain. It's a basic, rudimentary case, but the important thing is, does it last? Does it withstand being thrown about by typical airport baggage handlers that we often see? I'll report back in due course if it does ever break and do an updated review. Just as an update, my Costco ones are still going strong. They're holding up really well now. They've been on quite a lot of trips, so they're still recommended if you've seen that video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.